What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Nikon cameras in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Nikon Z FC, our first review focus, has the prestigious title of being the premier retro Nikon camera for 2024. This camera is an elegant blend of vintage style and modern mirrorless technology, all encased in a sleek APS-C design that we can't help but sing praises about. Its aesthetic appeal is matched by its performance, making it user-friendly for amateur photographers, though professionals seeking advanced features might eventually explore other options. One of the most striking aspects of the ZFC is its timeless appeal. It's a visual masterpiece that seems to have been plucked out of a nostalgic era. Its design bears a striking resemblance to the Nikon FM2, a model that Nikon first introduced back in 1982. It's like looking at a classic photograph come to life. The ZFC's design is not just about aesthetics. It aligns perfectly with its function, especially when it comes to street and travel photography. The autofocus modes are optimized for capturing people, tracking faces and movements with remarkable precision. The 20.9 megapixel crop sensor, identical to the one in the Z50 model, delivers sharp images and handles various lighting conditions exceptionally well, offering an impressive dynamic range. One of the standout features of the ZFC is its speed. It's ready to capture moments less than a second after starting up. The quiet focus is another plus, allowing you to take discrete street shots. The responsive touchscreen further enhances the user experience with minimal input lag. The ISO setting, accessible via a button on top of the camera, is a thoughtful nod to the Nikon FM2. In terms of ISO performance, we found it to deliver better results than anticipated, with no significant noise up to ISO 1600. The ZFC's functionality lies in its design. The large retro-style dials for ISO and shutter settings make it a joy to use in practice mode. The screen's simulated texture gives an illusion of non-existence when folded, a delightful detail that adds to the overall vintage feel. The camera's design doesn't just look good, it enhances usability, making it a delight to handle. It offers 4K UHD, a flip-up vari-angle LCD, full-time eye detection AF, a built-in stereo microphone, an external microphone jack, and compatibility with live streaming and web conferencing. This makes it a perfect companion for vloggers. So we give the Nikon ZFC a big thumbs up. As we step into 2024, the Nikon Z50 emerges as a top contender for those new to photography. This camera, which is the first-generation Z-mount DX mirrorless model with an APS-C sensor, has been lauded by users and reviewers alike for its exceptional attributes. Sporting a 20.9 megapixel DX sensor, the Nikon Z50 boasts a rapid phase detection autofocus system and a continuous shooting speed of 11 FPS. The camera's ability to record high-quality 4K videos up to 30 FPS without any clipping, full HD slow motion up to 120 FPS, makes it a favorite among enthusiasts. The camera's compact design and lightweight construction, along with superior build quality and ergonomics, make it a must-have for both novices and seasoned Nikon shooters. Nikon introduces 2 Z-mount DX lenses with this camera, the Nikon ZDX 1650mm VR and the Nikon ZDX50 250mm VR. These offerings are particularly attractive for those looking to maintain a small and light camera kit. However, for those seeking more lens options, there's a plethora of excellent full-frame Z-mount lenses and older Nikon F lenses, both DX and FX, available via the FTZ adapter. Being a mirrorless camera, the Z50 comes equipped with features such as IAF, focus peaking, and other useful display information not found in the aforementioned DSLRs. Despite its compact size, the Nikon Z50 is robustly built with excellent ergonomics. Featuring a one-piece magnesium alloy front, including the top and handle, the camera exudes quality. Nikon users will find the deep and comfortable grip familiar, especially when compared to other cameras like the Sony a6400, Fuji X-T30, and Canon EOS M6II. Moreover, the Nikon Z50 allows users to record 4K UHD movies at 30p and create slow-motion sequences in full HD resolution without crop factor limitations. The in-camera 4K time-lapse feature is another standout. The ultra-sharp electronic viewfinder provides a natural image, akin to a DSLR optical viewfinder, rounding off the impressive feature list of the Nikon Z50. The Nikon D850 is the next subject of our review, touted as one of the best DSLR cameras in 2024. This camera is an astronomical powerhouse, with its backlit buttons, superior low-light autofocus, and efficient high ISO noise handling, making it the perfect tool for capturing the night sky. The Nikon D850, featuring a robust 45.4 megapixel sensor, will seize every visible star, and even more due to its broad ISO range. When it comes to full-frame DSLR cameras, the Nikon D850 is at the top of the heap. Its formidable 45.4 megapixel image sensor and full-frame 4K video capabilities make it a potent fusion for still photographers and videographers aiming to capture the celestial bodies. capabilities. The camera's sturdy magnesium alloy body, coupled with its excellent weather resistance, ensures that the D850 is both lightweight and resilient. Designed for durability, the D850 can withstand a considerable amount of wear and tear before showing any signs of damage. Its impressive low-light autofocus feature, coupled with a diverse range of photo resizing and light format options, make it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists who need to conserve space or shoot for specific outputs. Backlit buttons and a tilting touchscreen make operating the D850 in dark settings effortless, eliminating the need for additional light sources. This camera is compatible with virtually all f-mount lenses that Nikon has manufactured, providing a vast array of lens options. The Nikon D850's substantial ISO sensitivity range and effective noise management make it particularly apt for astrophotography, but it also excels in various other applications. Launched in 2017, this versatile camera outperformed its competitors. In conclusion, the Nikon D850 is arguably the best DSLR for professional use without opting for a D6. It produces high-resolution photos and shoots full-frame 4K video at 30p. When paired with high-quality lenses, it delivers exceptional clarity to photos. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Introducing the Nikon Z9, the undisputed champion of professional Nikon cameras in 2024. This full-frame mirrorless camera is a testament to Nikon's commitment to high-speed performance and 8K recording capabilities. Sporting a 45.7 megapixel sensor, the Z9 represents Nikon's most audacious venture into the realm of high-end photography and videography. The Z9 stands out as the pioneer in its class to completely eliminate the mechanical shutter, a move that redefines the possibilities of speed. The heart of the Z9 is the stacked CMOS sensor, known for its unparalleled burst speed, readout speed, autofocus updates, and video performance. This sensor ensures the fastest readout speed conceivable for any full-frame camera, matching the 1/200S flash sync speed of mechanical shutters. What's more fascinating is that the Z9 shares the same pixel count as the Z7 series and maintains a base ISO of 64. This implies that while photodiode design remains similar, the readout circuitry has been significantly enhanced for superior performance. The Z9's sophisticated subject recognition system is compatible to the Canon EOS R3. It can prioritize humans, animals, and vehicles, focusing on the most pertinent details. In human subjects, it recognizes eyes, faces, and torsos, ensuring that focus remains consistent. The animal detection algorithm is trained to identify cats, dogs, and birds. Meanwhile, the vehicle setting adeptly focuses on planes, trains, bicycles, and motorbikes. Nikon attributes the Z9's ability to process and communicate 120 autofocus calculations per second to the combination of stacked CMOS sensor and the faster data throughput of the Z-mount. Unlike other multi-subject systems from Olympus, Canon, and Sony, Nikon Z9 does not require users to specify the type of subject being captured. Its automatic subject mode can evaluate the scene for any recognizable subject types. In a departure from earlier Z-series models, the Z9 introduces the capacity to combine in-body stabilization with VR lens stabilization. Its 30 FPS and 11 megapixel 120 FPS modes offer an option to start buffering images when the shutter button is half pressed. One of the Z9's key features is its adjustable screen. Whether you're capturing images in landscape or portrait orientation, the screen can be tilted towards you. Moreover, the screen remains centered over the optical axis, simplifying framing. The Nikon Z9 is undoubtedly a revolutionary addition to the professional camera market, pushing the boundaries of what photographers can achieve. As we venture into 2024, the Nikon Z7 stands out as one of the best Nikon cameras on offer, appealing to both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. Instead of a complete redesign, Nikon has opted for subtle but significant enhancements over the original model, making the Z7 a more refined version of its predecessor. Built around a 45.7 megapixel sensor, stabilized to ensure sharp images even in challenging conditions. The body is constructed from a durable magnesium alloy, designed to withstand dust and moisture, providing reassurance for those shooting in unpredictable environments or capturing crucial moments at events. One of the key upgrades in the Z7 is the inclusion of dual memory card slots, addressing a common concern with the previous model. This provides added flexibility and peace of mind, especially for those working in fields like wedding and event photography, where losing images is not an option. Another major improvement is the addition of a second X-Speed 6 processor. This enhancement allows the Z7 to shoot faster and for longer periods compared to the Z7. The Z7 also maintains the hybrid autofocus system of its predecessor, encompassing phase detection and contrast points across 90% of the sensor's surface. However, this model boasts 493 phase detection points, offering quicker AF point positioning across the frame. Additionally, face, eye, and animal detection have been extended to the larger wide area AF modes, increasing versatility. The Nikon Z7 Nikon's video capabilities are equally impressive. It offers full HD recordings up to 120 frames per second, perfect for creating slow-motion footage. For extended shooting or lengthy time-lapse sequences, the camera can be powered continuously via a power bank and USB Type-C cable. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it for the top 5 Nikon cameras in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.